Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this quick video. An update on SAY. All right, wanted to do a quick update on that. We've had some significant price movements. I mean, it looked very bad in the last 2 days. Was a strong support level at 60 cents, and that, well, at least initially, it looked like that failed to provide support. But what happened in the last 24 hours is that, well, first of all, which I do think is very necessary for you to know, at this moment, SAY is no longer the behemoth it was. It's just correlated to Bitcoin at this moment, all right? So what we saw is that Bitcoin actually recovered a bit, and I actually do think that more recovery is a possibility, as you can see by my quick analysis. So that caused SAY to break above 60 cents, which is now actually a pretty decent support level. Put in a bottom indicator and actually get some bullish momentum. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts on what's next, what's going on, and just what you need to know. All right, like I said, SAY right now we got some recovery, but if you look at the open interest, it's down a bit from the bottom we made yesterday. It's down, it's up about 10%, I would say. But the momentum by far is not as high as it was, and it's also not getting very high. SAY is not rallying, is what I'm trying to say. And then if you look at the liquidity, just in general, I mean, I would say that the market circumstances for SAY are still bearish, and it now has a possibility to actually turn neutral, to get into some sort of a consolidation or a range. But that does depend on how it reacts to certain resistance levels. Like, for example, there's this resistance level right here around 70 cents, which is obviously a psychological level, but it's also a technical resistance level. And there's a lot of liquidity between like 70 and 73 cents, which is way higher, but it can spike up there and still close below 70. So I think the main thing we have to watch is that I think Bitcoin will actually continue to recover a bit. All right, so that means, given the correlation between SAY and Bitcoin, that means that SAY will probably, or SAY, whatever you want to call it, will probably recover a bit as well. But then it will meet that resistance level at 68, 70, 72 cents right here. So I think we're going up there. We also, I mean, by the way, technically, we also just got a major bullish breakout. So yeah, so we'll reach that resistance level. And at this moment, I think it's most likely that SAY will drop back down from that level, down to 60 cents. Now, if it's able to hold 60 cents, then we can actually consolidate and stay relatively strong, relatively neutral. All right, so I think something like this is most likely. All right, I don't expect a huge crash down to 50 cents anymore. It's a possibility. Definitely, if Bitcoin starts falling down rapidly, then it's a realistic possibility. But for now, I actually expect some sort of short-term recovery, followed by some stability. Altogether, not a coin I would trade, but still. But we'll have to see. I mean, like I said, there's enough reasons, or like I said that in a previous video. But there's enough reasons to actually be bullish on crypto in general. So we will have to await the reaction to 70 cents. Because if we get up there, and SAY just holds 60 cents and actually regains momentum, so the open interest starts increasing and the momentum starts and the volume starts increasing, then there's a possibility we'll get all the way up to 75 and 76 cents. And that is realistic. It's not what I expect. I don't think this is most likely. I think the resistance is too strong, but it's a possibility. And I will keep you updated on that, of course. For now, like I said, I think it's most likely that we'll grab that liquidity to the upside, drop back down, and then consolidate, and then wait on the market to see what's next. If Bitcoin gets a bearish breakout, SAY will drop down lower towards 55 and 50 cents. That's what you need to know. Those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.